ChatGPT for work automation app. The pros, the cons. ChatGPT has quickly become a go-to tool for work automation, but is it really as powerful as people claim? Let's explore the pros and cons. The biggest advantage is versatility. ChatGPT can draft emails, generate reports, summarize meetings, and even assist with coding or content creation. For example, it can automatically respond to common customer queries, saving teams hours of repetitive work. It also integrates with popular apps via APIs, making workflow automation smoother. Many users find it helps boost productivity by providing instant suggestions, templates, and solutions for routine tasks. However, there are drawbacks. ChatGPT is only as good as the data it's trained on. It can sometimes produce inaccurate or incomplete responses. Over-reliance can lead to errors if humans don't review outputs carefully. Security and privacy are also concerns, especially when sensitive company data is involved. Some tasks, like decision-making, creative strategy, or relationship management, still require human judgment. Subscription costs for advanced features may also be a factor for small teams. Most people get this wrong. They assume ChatGPT is a fully autonomous assistant. The truth is it's a tool that amplifies human effort. You won't believe how much time teams can save by automating routine tasks while humans focus on strategy, creativity, and critical thinking. In conclusion, ChatGPT for work automation offers speed, versatility, and efficiency, but it works best when paired with human oversight. When used thoughtfully, it can handle repetitive work, enhance productivity, and free employees to focus on higher value activities. ChatGPT doesn't replace humans, it makes them more effective.